We're back to the chicken coop business. And since I started the other one, they decided they was gonna add more chickens. So now what we gotta do is take this here landscape cabin I built for a playhouse a long time ago. And I guess it's gonna be a nesting house, I guess what you can call it, but we gotta figure out how to move it. Got your Mahindra tool over there. We've already picked it up and got these concrete blocks out from under it. But as the ex-wife's over there picking up that mess, you see that hammock frame, Dewey? It's built out of tubing, and I'm thinking I can take it, slide it up underneath it a certain way, and hope the balance works out. I understand. And hopefully we can get it and drug it to out yonder. We're gonna drug it. You correcting my speeches? Well, so we're gonna drug it back to the side yard over there, I think. You'll be right or wrong. So as you can see, I got her hammock stand under there. Went and done whatever redneck would do and found the longest log chain you can find. Got it tied up. Think it's gonna work? You don't know?
Hey, let me move the Can-Am so if it flips back.
Different day, different Goodwill shirt right here. So I've got a headache that I'm hoping that will go away. But yesterday I got quite a bit accomplished, and I'll show you what I got. So here's the coop, or the run, and I'm going to connect it to the playhouse deal. And we got a solar door I'm going to put over that window somehow. We got an old barn door that's going to go over the chicken house thing there. I got a little bit of fixing up to do. I got some wire I got to put over the cattle gate. We got a little bit of work to do, but it's slowly and surely coming together. I just gotta see how long I can hold out before my head gets to pounding. You know, migraines ain't good, and I definitely don't want one. I'll probably set this up on time lapse so you can kind of see what I'm doing as I'm doing it. You know what I mean?